Today, I'll be showing you how to prepare your scalp for a Hairsystem application. Preparing the scalp helps remove dead skin and oil residue to provide a clean surface for adhesive and prevent bacterial growth. This creates a longer and stronger hold, giving your attachment the longevity it deserves. For preparing your scalp, you will need cleaning solvent, scalp scrub, shampoo, isopropyl alcohol, paper towels, a towel, and scalp protector. If you're removing an existing hair system, remove all leftover adhesive residue with a solvent like KP Pro solvent or C22 solvent. Once the scalp is clear of all residue and debris, you can proceed to prepare the scalp. Apply the Yes to Tea Tree scalp scrub to remove any dead skin and adhesive if necessary. Rinse the scalp. Next, wash hair and scalp with shampoo. You can use conditioner to moisturize the hair. If the conditioner goes on the scalp, that's okay. If necessary, shave the remaining hair on the balding area. Use isopropyl alcohol to sanitize the scalp and remove any excess oil. Use a scalp protector like Walker's Scalp Protector or KP Skin Med for extra protection of the skin before applying any adhesive to the scalp. Let it dry. Once the surface is dry, you can start the application. For all product recommendations, see the description below or visit our website for more supplies. And don't forget to subscribe or hit that notification bell for more tips like this.